Good morning. It's just gone 7:30 on day one. It's Monday, the 1st of January 2024. I'm on so convenient now to stroll along these tracks in preparation for the longer walk on the Camino later after Easter. And I'll be welcome to walk past. So that's pretty kind of them not to just bolt completely away. And you can hear the magpies in the background. So our friends are just off to our right. And you can get a good sense of the morning sounds. Standing outside the gate and another door and another bag. It's customary to see on the web people giving their thoughts on departure, but suffice to say it's not a race today, and the prize is to be in the presence of God. Walking along the path, so I'm walking east and the sun is coming through and you can see the rays through the branches of the trees. So on the Camino the sun is generally in the morning behind us, and so the rays would come over our shoulders and point the way. One Camino is the greeting, and the next stop for me is Roncesvalles, the Valley of Thorns. Praise God, we're ready to start walking.